How to lock photos on iPhone iOS 18. Today, I'm going to show you two super easy methods to lock your photos on your iPhone using iOS 18. Let's get started right away and keep those photos secure. First, make sure you're running iOS 18. Head to Settings, go to General, and tap Software Update to check if you're on the latest version. If not, update your iPhone. All right. The first method is to lock your entire Photos app using Face ID. It's quick and easy. Just long press the Photos app icon and you'll see a menu. Select Require Face ID. Your iPhone will then ask you to scan your face. Once it's set up, every time you open the Photos app, you'll need to use Face ID to get in. So, all your photos in the app are now securely locked. Next, let's check out the second method, using the hidden folder in the Photos app. First, head to Settings, scroll down to Photos, and make sure Use Face ID is turned on. This will protect your hidden folder. Now, open the Photos app. Find the photo you want to hide. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Hide. That photo will now be moved to a hidden folder that requires Face ID to open. So, it's both hidden and locked. And there you have it. Two quick and easy ways to lock your photos on iPhone using iOS 18. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to